A very good morning, 8th class. We have studied this chapter. Chapter is Human Resources. Now in this video we will do the exercise and question answer of this chapter. So let's start. First of all, given MCQs. The first question, the term population distribution refers to, the three options are there. First one is how population in an area changes over time. The second one is the number of births and deaths in a specified area. Third one, the way in which people are spread across a given area. So student, here the third option is correct. And why it is correct? So we have studied in the chapter that according to the distribution of population, the world can be divided into three regions: thickly populated areas, moderately populated areas, and sparsely populated areas. Okay, so that's why here is given spread across a given area. Now the second question is there, which of these is the main factor that causes population change? So first one is births, deaths and marriage. Second one is birth, deaths and migration. And next is birth, deaths and life expectancy. So population change. We have studied the quality of population as a human resources in any country is greatly influenced by the pattern of population change, and these are birth rate, deaths and migration. Clear this one? Now the next one is the population of the world in 1999 reached 3 billions according to the chapter. Now the fourth one, the population explosion in 1970s was caused by rising death rate and falling birth rate, sharply falling death rate accompanied by high birth rate. The C1, sharply falling death rate due to advances in medicine and rising birth rate because of better standard of living. So student, that time that was the main reason for population explosion. So she option is correct. Now the next one is the movement of a large number of people from one area to another is called, as you know very well, migration. Next one, the only state in India where female population is more than male population. So which one is correct? Kerala. So in previous videos also given. What given? Literacy rate and difference between actually in first video I showed you the pyramid. The pyramid also explained about the difference between male and female and literacy rate also. So Kerala is one of the correct answer that shows female population is more than male population. Clear this one? Now the next one, which of the following age group is not included in the dependent population? Okay, dependent population means Dependent means the people in age group 0 to 14 and above 65 who are not economically active, और जो कि अपने लाइवलीहुड के लिए दूसरों पर डिपेंड करते हैं. सो वो किस एज में, वो कौन सा एज ग्रुप नहीं है जो इसमें इंक्लूड नहीं होता. सो ये तो इंक्लूड होगा, बट दिस वन, ओके. सो ऑप्शन इज दिस वन इज करेक्ट. Now fill in the blanks also given there. More than 90% of the world's population lives in about 10% in the land surface. Okay, 10%. Now the next one, the average density of world population is how much? 450 person per square kilometer. Clear this one? The ratio between the number of males and female is called, what is it called? So you will write here sex ratio. Clear this one? Now the next one, the difference between the birth rate and the death rate of a country is called the natural growth rate. Now according to census 2011, the population density of India has gone up to 382 persons per square kilometer. Clear? Now the C part is there. Explain the term in 1 or 2 sentences. So you will note down these question answer in your notebook. So just ready for writing? Let's start. So now first term is birth rate. Birth rate, number of births per 1000 people per year. Clear? The next one, death rate, number of deaths per 1000 per year. Okay. Now the C1, population explosion. It is the number of individuals in a population. Clear? The next, migration, the movement of a large number of people from one area to another. Clear? Next one, immigrants, people who leave a country. Okay, people who leave a country is called immigrants. Now next also same arithmetic words, immigrants, but difference is there, E and I. Emigrants, immigrants, people who arrive in a country. Okay, people who live a country, that is emigrant, and people who arrive in a country, immigrants. Now the next one is population pyramid. It represents the breakdown of the population by gender and age at a given point in time. Clear? Now the next, so the next one is dependent population. Dependent population, people in the age group 0 to 40 years and above 65 years who are not economically active themselves and depend on the working for their livelihood. It means इस ग्रुप के जो लोग हैं वो क्या करते हैं, दूसरों पर डिपेंड होते हैं for their livelihood, अपने जीवन को चलाने के लिए. And you know very well the meaning of livelihood also. It refers to the work that get earn money. Okay. Now the next one, population, working population. People who are working and contribute to the economic development of the country. Clear? Now this is time for the next part of the questions, and these are, the first question is there, why are the people considered or resources? Answer is there. Answer 1, the people considered are resources. Because the demand of the people for demand, resources make them a ultimate resources. Clear? People can make the best use of nature to create more resources when they they have knowledge, skills and technology to do so. Clear? Now the next one is, what are the reasons for the uneven distribution of population in the world? So answer is there. Answer second, the distribution of population in the world is extremely uneven. Clear? Human resources like other resources such as we have studied in the previous video. Factors are classified into two types: physical factors or non-physical factors. So these are not equally distributed across the world. Clear? They differ in their educational levels, age, and sex. Thickly populated moderately populated areas and sparsely populated area and educational level age and sex. Are the reason for uneven distribution of population in the world. Clear this one? Okay, the next one is third question. Why has the population of the world grown so rapidly since 1970s? Answer is there. Answer third. The rapid growth increase was mainly caused by a decreasing death rate and an advance in medicine and rising birth rate because of better standard of living. Clear this one? Now the next one. The fourth question. Discuss the role of any four factors influencing population change. So answer is there. The quality of a population as a human resources. In any country, is greatly influenced by the pattern of birth rate, death rate, migration, and natural growth of population change. Clear this one. Now the next one is, what is meant by population composition? So answer is there. Answer fifth. Population composition refers to the structure of the population, that is numbers of males and females, age group, education, occupation, income level, and health of population. Clear this one. Now the next one is, what are population pyramids? What is the importance of population pyramids? Answer is there. Answer 6. The population pyramid help us to study the population composition of a country. The shape of the pyramid gives us What gives us an idea about the population composition of a country. And composition also we have written in previous answer, a composition such as age, sex, literacy and occupation of the population. Clear this one? And importance of the pyramid, सेम आप नीचे राइट करेंगे, इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ पॉपुलेशन पिरामिड आर it gives an idea about the population pressure on the resources of the country The next one, it helps the government what help to plan welfare programs for different age groups. For age group. Clear? It also shows what shows the number of males and females, under each age group, Clear? नाउ अभी हम यहाँ तक क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे. इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो में जितने भी क्वेश्चंस बचे हैं हम उनको कंप्लीट करेंगे. ओके. This one clear? In next video we will do the remaining question answer of this chapter. And these are 7th question, creative analysis and evaluation based questions. Give reasons and name the followings. These questions we will do in the next video. So read this chapter attentively, watch the video attentively,